guys, welcome back to my channel. So welcome to the part 2 of my makeup breakdown series. So after my base makeup, I'll move forward to my face makeup. So we'll learn how to contour, like how to contour slash bronze. We'll also learn how to apply blush properly, at what parts of your face the blush should be, and also how to apply highlighter. I know this is something like everybody knows, but for all my beginners who don't know how to apply contour, bronzer, or blush, highlighter, so this can be a great guide for you. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. For my contour slash bronzing part, I'm going to use the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here, this and this shade mix. So I usually use the lighter shade only, but since we are contouring and bronzing together, we can take a darker shade as well. Always remember to dust off the excess from your brush, because you don't want like a very patchy part here which you can't blend later on. So let's start. You start from here and then you go right down till here, but you don't go till your mouth. Just swirl your brush around here and bring back the warmth to the face. You see that illusion? Now we'll go to the temples, like from here. So the reason why we go above our eyebrow and our temple part is because we want everything to come together. We don't want that there's a line here, then there is an illusion here, and there's an illusion here. You have to connect it in a 3 shape. So here, here and here. So it's a 3. So make sure you blend your bronzer slash contour really well and give a whole bronzy look, if that's what you're going for. Switched on the light so you can see my color bronzing very correctly and clearly. So here. After we finished contouring and bronzing our face really well, you will notice that it's brought down a little and it's not looking clean. It looks very shabby. So you take any loose powder of your choice. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and we'll just bake over there so it gets clean. So you bake like this. That's it. You just bake like this and the whole contour will be very clean. That's it. Now after we bake this part, we'll wait for about 30 seconds. Like you can see, it's so clean and it has this white line here, which is the illusion of the bronzer. So your face looks very snatched and it looks very very chiseled kind of look. So we'll just go in with our beauty blender all over our bronzer. So if there is any excess powder, we remove that. We have to be very careful with every step, so that nothing is looking very shabby, patchy, extra on your face. So after we finish with our bronzing slash contouring step, we go in with a blush, and for blush I'm using the Nykaa Get Cheeky blush duo in the shade Kali Chick 02, and I'm using this baby pink shade right here. We take our blush brush here, swirl it around and dab off the excess, and then just smile and swirl. You have to make sure that you don't only apply blush on the apples of your cheek, but also blend it till the temples, so everything looks very put together, kept together, whatever. And just do that. Do the same thing here. So after we finished our blushing step, we again use a beauty blend and just dab off the excess powders that's on your face to not make it look cakey. So beauty blender is basically your best friend when you're doing makeup, so you can't do without a beauty blender. After we finished our blush, we have our favorite step right here, that's highlighter. So for highlighter today, I'm going to again use the Nykaa palette. That's the Nykaa Glow Getter Highlighter Duo in the shade Moonshine 03. I completely love this highlighter simply because it's not very blinding. I do not like highlighters that legit pop out of your face and make it look very fake. So I like something like a inner glow type, something which is very subtle yet very shiny. So I love the silver one right here. I'll take my fan brush. You can use a normal brush as well. I just have this, so I'm using it. You dab off the excess because you don't want to look like a tube light, and then you just slightly go here. You see that really chic highlight. So you have to make a 3 here as well. 1, 2 and 3. So when the light hits your face, it's here. Like, it looks very pretty. Especially in flash photography, you do the same thing here, here and here. Okay, and then we'll go on our nose, and then we again take a beauty blender to remove the excess if we have put any. And ta-da! That's our face base right there in 3 simple steps. Very easy to follow once you get the hang of it. So I'll see you in my last part. That's the part 3. And I love you guys till then. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and wait for my part 3, which is going to be uploaded in the next 2 days. I love you guys. Bye.